Hi guys, welcome back to Robbie D's Kitchen. I'm Robin and today we'll be making twists, so let's get into the video. So what we're gonna do first is mix our melted butter and our egg. Then we're gonna add our sugar and mix that in as well. Next is the warm milk and yeast. Once that is combined, you're gonna let it sit for 5 minutes. As always, measurements will be in the description box below. So after 5 minutes, your yeast should have started to rise, and now it's time to add the flour. After adding the flour, you're just gonna mix everything. I'm using a butter knife because I find that easiest until you start to form some dough. And then I'm gonna go in with my hands and just knead until it starts to form a ball. As I'm doing this kneading, I'm also gonna be working in a little bit of oil into the dough as well. Once the dough has formed, I'm going to rest it in the bowl and cover it and set it in a warm place to rise for an hour. After an hour, I'm going to take the dough out and just work it out a little bit, and then I'm going to form it into a log. Don't forget to flour your clean surface before placing the dough down. Now I'm just gonna divide the dough. I ended up making that first one into a ball, but that was doing too much, so we won't be doing that. And now it's time to make your twist. So to make the twist, you're gonna take your section, just rub it in your hands and stretch it out to elongate the section just to thin it out a bit. After doing that, you're going to just twist it around as I'm doing here until it's a little taut, and then you're just going to form the twists. I don't feel like I explained that the best, so I'm just gonna let you watch it. If you make your dough too thin, it will end up popping and looking like this when it rises, and you don't want that. So once you finish twisting all of your twists, you're going to place them into a pan, and I sprayed mine down with some cooking oil spray just so that it wouldn't stick to the cling wrap. You're just going to cover them and set them in a warm place to rise. I did go ahead and make a glaze. It's just powdered sugar and milk. Now we're going to fry the twist. You want to make sure that your oil is hot enough. I do have my heat on medium. And then you're going to place the twists in the oil and just let them cook for about 5 minutes on each side, or until they have a nice light golden brown color. You don't want them to get too dark. Now we're just gonna drizzle that glaze on there and they're ready to go. I did add my glaze when they were still warm, but once they cool down, the glaze will harden. If you guys enjoyed this video, please give me a big thumbs up. If you try out this recipe, let me know. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And until next time, bye!